In today's video, I want to show you how to make your iPhone battery last longer. So to make your iPhone battery last longer, there are some things you can do, of which I'm going to be showing you right now. The very first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's go to the settings on my iPhone. So once you get to the settings on your iPhone, this is what I want you to do. I want you to look for where we have battery and tap on that battery. So once you tap on battery, if you check the top here, you are going to see where it says battery percentage and low power mode. So I want you to turn on the low power mode. So let's tap on low power mode. So once you tap on the no power mode, it will turn on the low power mode. Once the low power mode is turned on, it will reduce the amount of energy the phone consumes from the battery. So that is the first one. Let me show you another thing you have to do to make your battery last longer. So the second one I want you to do, I want you to go to display and brightness. You just have to scroll down. So you can see we have display and brightness over here. I want you to tap on it. So once you tap on the display and brightness, I want you to scroll down. As you can see, the brightness is on the highest. I want you to lower the brightness. You just have to tap on the brightness where it says brightness. Then you want to just drag it to the, you just want to drag it back. You just want to lower it to maybe to the middle. Once you lower it, it will reduce the amount of energy this screen consumes from the battery. So this is the second thing you can do to make your battery last longer. Then the last one you can do, which is the third one, you just want to turn off the background app refresh. So how do you actually turn off the background app refresh on your phone? To turn off the background app refresh, you just want to scroll down here, scroll up here. I want you to tap on general on here. So let's tap on general. So once you tap on general, scroll down a little bit. Once you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see where it says background app refresh. So you want to tap on that background app refresh. So once you tap on that background app refresh, as you can see the background app refresh, you just want to make sure that this background app refresh is turned off. So once this background app refresh is turned off, then this will reduce the amount of energy your phone consumes from the battery. So guys, this is how you can actually make your battery last longer. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.